Overview of the international agreements on women's rights. We have been talking about a number of agreements that took place at international level for ensuring women's rights and women empowerment. In this module, we will have a very brief overview of some of such agreements. Looking in the chronological order, we see that in 1928, the Inter-American Commission of Women was the first intergovernmental women's rights agency. In 1946, the establishment of UN Commission on the Status of Women took place. In 1979, the UN Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women, CEDAW, happened. In 1993, the UN World Conference on Human Rights to formally declare that women's rights are human rights took place. In 1993, Declaration on the Elimination of Violence Against Women took place. In 1994, the Inter-American Convention on the Prevention, Punishment and Eradication of Violence Against Women happened. In 1995, UN Conference on Women, resulting in the creation of the Beijing Declaration and Platform of Action, took place. In 2003, the Maputo Protocol agreed by African governments happened. 2011, the Istanbul Convention on Preventing and Combating Violence Against Women and Domestic Violence took place. In 2015, the Sustainable Development Goals और SDGs were adopted by the UN members. तो हम थोड़ा सा एक जायज़ा लेते हुए देख सकते हैं कि इस तमाम बरसों में, पिछली कुछ दहाइयों में, हम देखते हैं कि एक तवातर के साथ बहुत सी ऐसी चीज़ें हुई, बहुत से ऐसे वाक़यात हुए, बहुत सी ऐसी दस्तावेज़ात तैयार हुई जिसमें बैनुल-अक़वामी तौर पर मुख्तलिफ़ ममालिक ने हिस्सा लिया और सब ने इस बात से का इकरार किया कि हम औरतों के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ के लिए काम करेंगे, हम औरतों को तहफ़्फ़ुज़ देंगे, ऐसे कवानीन बनाएंगे जिसमें मर्द और औरत को एक जैसा दर्जा हासिल हो, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ना हो और माशरे से ख़वातीन के ख़िलाफ़ तशद्दुद का ख़ात्मा किया जाएगा.